Happy morning, everybody. Are you all fine? Good. What did we learn our last class? Division of 4-digit number by a single digit divisor. What is a quotient? The result of division is called the quotient. Good. In division of 4-digit number by a single digit divisor, which place do we divide first? Good. Thousands place. Do you remember properties of addition, properties of subtraction and multiplication? Okay, fine. Now I ask a few questions. Are you all ready? Okay. 234 minus 234. The answer is 0. Very good. Second one. 527 plus 0, which is equal to 527. Good. Next one. 0 multiplied by 748. The answer is 0. Today we will learn about the properties of division. First one, division by 1. When a number is divided by 1, then the quotient is equal to the dividend itself. For example, 6752 divided by 1 is equal to 6752. Next one, division of a number by itself. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is always 1. For example, 6752 divided by 6752 is equal to 1. Third one, division of 0. When 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. For example, 0 divided by 6752 is equal to 0. Fourth one, division by 0. Division by 0 is not possible. Let us do the exercise. First one, 8923 divided by 8923 is equal to, very good, 1. Second one, 4530 divided by 1. The answer is the number itself, 4530. Next one, 0 divided by 1659 is equal to 0. Next one, dash divided by 7420 is equal to 0. Yes, very good. The answer is 0. Next one, 9754 divided by dash is equal to 1. The answer is the number itself. Yes. So 9754. State whether true or false. Any number divided by 1 gives the number itself. Is it true or false? Very good. True. Next one. No number can be divided by 0. Is this true or false? True. Next one. A number divided by itself gives the quotient 0. The answer is false. Next one, division by 10, 100 and 1000. To divide a number by 10, write the ones digit of the number as remainder and the other remaining digits as quotient. For example, 834 divided by 10. Yes, the ones digit only remainder, remaining digits quotient. Here 4 is the remainder, 83 is the quotient. Next one, to divide a number by 100, write the number formed by the tens and ones digit as remainder and the other remaining digits as quotient. For example, 834 divided by 100. Here, the tens and ones digit as remainder, isn't it? So, 34 is the remainder, 8 is the quotient. One more example, 2769 divided by 100. Yes, very good. Ones and tens digit as remainder. So, 69 remainder, 27 is the quotient. Good. Next one. To divide a number by 1000, write the number formed by the hundreds, tens and ones digits as remainder and the other remaining digits as quotient. For example, 4872 divided by 1000. Here, yes, hundreds, tens and ones digits as remainder, isn't it? So, 872 is the remainder, 4 is quotient. One more example, 2769 divided by 1000. Here, 769 is the remainder, 2 is the quotient. Let us do the exercise. Find the quotient and the remainder. First one, 238 divided by 10. Yes, very good. The ones digit only, remainder. Other digits, quotient. So, 23 is the quotient, 8 is the remainder. Next one, 86,375 divided by 10. What is the quotient and the remainder? Yes, the ones digit only, remainder. Yes, so 8637 is the quotient, 5 is the remainder. Next one, 90,258 divided by 100. Quotient. Here, tens and ones digits only, remainder. Remaining digits, quotient. So, 902 is the quotient, 58 is the remainder. Good. Next one, 3764 divided by 100. Here, ones and tens digits only, remainder. Other digits, quotient. So, 37 is the quotient, 64 is the remainder. Next one, 5321 divided by 1000. Yes, very good. Hundreds, tens and ones digits are remainder. Remaining digits only quotient. Yes. So, 5 is the quotient. 321 is the remainder. One more example. 73,946 divided by 1000. The quotient is 73 and the remainder is 946. Thank you, children.